Details: Samsung Galaxy A30. How to unboxing Samsung Galaxy A30. Starting Samsung Galaxy A30 phone unboxing. First time open the box. You find a this pack, one skin touch paper and mobile cover, transparent, clear transparent. Dry wipes. This is the dry wipes. It uses the display cleaning. Its headphone. Wow, it's beautiful. Black color. It's awesome. This is the charger. Multiple adapter charger. And charger cable. Black charger cable. It's awesome. And last, it's a pin to uses the SIM card open and close the mobile. And the main attraction is the mobile Samsung A30. Okay, we are unboxing the mobile. It's really awesome. I am very lucky. Samsung Galaxy A30. It's beautiful. This is the menu bar, notification bar. It's a settings and update version, Android version 9. It's really awesome. So anyone can use this. And so okay, it's fingerprint usable and the face lock, and it's a lock screen display. It's Infinity U display 4G. It's skin brightness.